It's your boy Cameron.
And your girl Ida.
And we are back with another video.
Yes.
Look, today we about to be telling y'all exactly how much YouTube paid us when we did 600,000 views in 30 days.
And we're going to break down how YouTube actually pays you, how much money you can make per view, and how much you can make like an art level.
So making money on YouTube is become kind of a secret thing to a lot of people, or a lot of people just don't understand how YouTubers get paid on YouTube. But we're gonna start by telling you, yes, there are people on YouTube that make millions and millions of dollars. And there's other YouTubers that may not make a thing.
And there's a lot of different factors that depend on whether or not you make those millions or not.
But when people start usually looking into how much a YouTuber makes, they usually go to a website called Social Blade that gives you a rough estimate on how much a YouTuber makes. So jumping in there, they have our estimated monthly earnings revenue to be $80 to $1.3 thousand off 286,000 views.
Now, 80 to 1.3 thousand is obviously a humongous gap. There's a lot of money in between there, so they're not super accurate with the information, but we do land somewhere in between there, us personally.
Nowadays, we've been landing on the higher end of that spectrum, but we first wanted to break down how YouTubers actually get paid on YouTube.
So there's a lot of different ways to make money on YouTube, but we're focusing on the partnership aspect of YouTube. So to be eligible to be a partner with YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and get 4,000 hours worth of watch time for the past 12 months.
Once you have reached the eligibility requirements, you're not automatically placed inside the YouTube partnership program. You actually have to apply to the YouTube partnership program. And what they do is take a look at your channel and make sure your content is appropriate and that they deem respectable to put ads on.
Then once you are a partner, they'll have you go apply for AdSense. And once you have AdSense and you are a partner, you can start putting ads on your videos.
Now, as far as putting ads on your videos, a lot of people may not know why you see a whole lot of little yellow ticks when you're watching a video. When you're watching a video, that's the ads that they have placed on their video. Now, what a lot of people don't know as far as putting ads on your videos is the length of the video actually determines how many ads you can put on each individual video. So in regards to that, anything under 10 minutes, you only can put an ad at the beginning and at the end of the video. That's why you guys see a lot of videos that are just over 10 minutes long, because that's where you actually get the chance or opportunity to put as many ads as you want on the video. But just because you put a whole bunch of ads on the video doesn't mean they're all gonna play.
And that is why not every view on YouTube gets you paid, because you only get paid for monetized views.
And not each view is gonna pay you the same amount. YouTube actually pays you out on something called CPM, which is cost per meal. And I don't know why they named it that, because it's really like cost per 1,000. So if they give you a CPM of $3 on that video, you're actually estimated to get about $3 for every 1,000 monetized views.
And if you do get to 1 million, you'll get $3,000 for that million views. And there are also a lot of other different factors that will affect how much money you're getting off the view. A big factor is where the view actually comes from. So United States and Australia are really, really big CPM countries on YouTube. And other ones like India and I don't know, a few of the other ones aren't really that big.
And I believe that's all determined by the amount marketers are willing to spend on ads in that individual country. So it's well known that the United States, they spend a lot of money on ads.
And another really big thing that affects your CPM is your actual content on your channel. And it can also vary from video to video. So we did a fashion video that had like a $15 CPM, where we might do a prank that has like a $3 CPM.
So yeah, it's all determined on that. And then if you do tech, it may be a little bit higher than like a prank video. And also if you do like business or making money on YouTube or things about YouTube, then you're more than likely gonna have a higher CPM. I don't know exactly how all that works. Honestly, I don't think anybody does, but it's always nice when you see a high CPM like we saw on that fashion haul video that happened to be right around like the $13 mark.
Yeah, and that I think might have been the highest CPM we even had on our channel like thus far.
So taking a look at that, we did 2.8 thousand views on that video, and we got an estimated revenue on that video of $16.41. Now out of those 2.8 thousand views, we actually got 2.2 thousand monetized views on that video, and the full CPM on that video was $13.68. Now that was a bit higher than most of our videos. and we were really pleasantly surprised to see that video did so well on CPM.
Yeah, we were not expecting that CPM to be high. That's what we mean by like it's really random and like you don't really know like what your CPM is gonna be.
Exactly. So it's just all determined on the content that you produce. So if you're producing like a tech review channel, it's probably going to be a little bit higher because there's a lot of ads on those tech reviews and computer companies and all that stuff. They have more money to spend on ads. And then also another CPM that we've known to be high is talking about business or how to make money in entrepreneurship and things about YouTube. It usually has a higher CPM and then other things like pranks.
Yeah, I think that one kind of makes it. If you talk about making money, you'll make more money.
It actually is kind of funny, y'all. But the moment you guys all have been waiting for, how much money did we make off 600,000 views in 30 days, which is actually our largest month that we've had here on YouTube, even though we've been here for like 2.5 years. We started taking it serious about 6 or 7 months ago, and we did about 601,000 views.
And that was us posting every single day that month. So that month we did 601,800 views and we made $1,030.27.
And I know that may not be much to a lot of people, but hey, we were pleasantly surprised that our hard work is starting to pay off. And in regards to how many monetized views that was, we actually only had 287,000 monetized views that month, which is not even half the amount of views that we actually got.
So that's why it really does help to have people watching your videos that will also watch your ad for you.
Exactly. So if somebody is served an ad that's watching your video, if they do not watch at least 30 seconds of that ad and they just click that skip button, then you're not helping that creator out because they're not going to get paid for that ad that you just got served. And YouTube does not pay them unless you watch those ads. So if you like your creator, watch those ads. But also we wanted to take a look at our highest viewed video, which is 100,000 views. So off 100,000 views, we actually got paid $195.46. Now, how many monetized views that was? That was only 60,000 monetized views.
Which is more than half, so I mean, it's decent.
So our CPM on that video was actually $5.67. And that was our sneaking out the house video on Husband He Cries. Now, I know a lot of you guys joined us during that because we actually gained over 2,000 subscribers. So we definitely want to give a huge shout out to everybody who has joined the CE squad. And we just wanted to be open with you guys about how much money we actually make on YouTube.
Though we have made a little bit of money on YouTube, we threw a lot into it to begin with. Like first off, we got a Mac computer so we could even start editing our videos. And
that was over $1,000 right there. That was like $1,300 or something like that. And then we've got multiple cameras. So we got the Canon G7X. This is more of a vlogging camera.
We use that one, honestly, probably the most.
This is the most used camera that we have inside the house. And then we also have a big camera.
That's the big boy right there.
It's a DSLR, and this is a mic on top, and this is a Canon 80D. Now, a lot of YouTubers have been known to use this. Actually, Casey Neistat uses this camera, and Casey Neistat is like one of the biggest YouTubers there are.
And then we do have one more camera that we are filming on right now.
And this camera is a Sony 6400. It's the newest addition to the family, y'all. And we have one more camera too. The first camera we started off with, it was $600.
We don't really use that one anymore, so we don't like add in like our repertoire of cameras, but it sits over there somewhere.
So as far as equipment and props and things like that to film videos, I mean, we shelled out a whopping like almost $5,000 to get him started on this.
So honestly, at best, we are almost even with what
Whoa, we're not even near even.
Kinda. A little over halfway.
Look, watch them ads if you can, but we wanted to give a huge shout out to everybody who has subscribed to the family. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all smash that like button. If you guys found this useful, make sure y'all smash that like button. If y'all like us, make sure y'all smash that like button. If this statement made you smile, make sure y'all smash that like button.
No matter what you do, smash the like button. And if you have any questions, like we'll answer them, just comment down below or you can DM us personally.
But until next time, we out.
Hold up.
Now, I forgot to mention that this is not the only way to make money on YouTube. People make money through affiliate marketing, which we can cover if you guys want to see another video on that. And then also the biggest thing that people do on YouTube is get sponsorships from companies. Now, they can pay a lot, I mean a lot of money to sponsor a video of yours on your channel. As long as you've got the audience, they've got the money. But we can talk about that a little bit later. If you guys are interested, comment down below. But thanks for watching. And as always, we love you all.